Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a MOD DuoX processor and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this processor is not responding or not working right, or if it seems to be not connecting, you can fix a lot of those issues with a hard reset. The second reason is if you just want to get everything wiped off of it and back to the way it was when it came out of the box for whatever reason, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. We're basically going to turn it on and then let it boot until you see it load a pedal board. And from there, you're going to press and hold this left button until a menu appears in the display. And from there, you're going to turn the left knob until you get to System, and then the right knob into System Upgrade. And then from there, you're going to have to select Yes. Now you're going to have to select Yes while holding down the left square button. You're going to hold down left square button while you select Yes for the reset. Once you do that, you can let go of the knob and the foot switch at the same time and just wait. It will enter into the restore mode. Just keep waiting. And then you can connect the mod to your PC if you haven't done it already, and wait for the new storage drive to appear. You'll need to copy the modduo.tar file onto your new device and use your OS option to safely remove the drive. And now you can remove the USB cable connecting your PC to the mod.